This trigger, named Scenario 13, is designed to automatically update the last names of all related contact records when the name of an account is changed to naveen. Trigger logic. The trigger fires after an account record is updated after update. It starts by declaring a variable names to store the name of the account. Next, it queries the contact records where the last name matches the names variable, which will be populated with the name of the updated account. It then iterates over the updated account records, trigger.new. For each updated account, it assigns its name to the names variable. After processing all updated account records, it iterates over the queried contact records. For each contact, it sets the last name to the value stored in the names variable. Finally, it performs a DML update operation to persist the changes made to the contact records. Potential issues. Querying logic. The trigger queries contact records based on the names variable, which is initialized outside the loop. This may lead to incorrect results, as it will only query contact records where the last name matches the name of the last updated account. Bulkification. The trigger does not handle bulk updates efficiently, as it queries and updates contact records inside loops. This can lead to hitting governor limits and performance issues with large data volumes. Query filter. The trigger filters contact records by last name, which may not accurately identify related contact records if there are contacts with different last names associated with the same account. Improvements. Refactor the trigger to use a map-based approach to query and update contact records efficiently. Consider using a more precise criteria for identifying related contact records, such as linking contacts to accounts via a lookup relationship field. Implement error handling and logging mechanisms to capture any potential exceptions during trigger execution. By automatically updating contact last names based on changes to account names, this trigger aims to maintain data consistency and streamline record management within the Salesforce org. However, it may require enhancements to improve its efficiency and accuracy.